Hello subscribers! Today let's tackle an issue where the geometry of your 3D model can get messed up, leading to frustration. As you can see, even after using smooth brush, these vertices are still not smoothed properly. I will show you how to fix this if you get into this problem. One solution I have found is to export the model as an ESTL file. Switching to object mode, hiding the collection with the current 3D model, and creating a new collection for the model we are going to edit. Now, let's import the 3D model we exported. Go into Edit mode by pressing Tab, then press P to separate the objects by loose parts. Press Tab again to switch back to object mode. Let's focus on the dress. So I am hiding the unwanted 3D models. Select the dress and switch to Edit mode. Press A to select all, then press Alt plus J to improve the vertex alignment. In Sculpt mode, use the Smooth brush to check how the dress is responding now. You will notice it smooths much better than before. Even though we have found a way to fix the issue, this is just a temporary solution. Now, let's take a look at when this problem might arise and how we can avoid it. You can see that this is the dress I am editing to customize it for an order. I will use that knife tool to cut and shape the dress as desired. I am clicking and placing the knife tool where I need to make cuts. Once the cuts are complete on the 3D model, I will press Enter to apply them. Similarly, I will use that knife tool to make cuts on the back view of the dress and press Enter to apply the changes. The dress parts above the knife cuts are not needed. I will select all the unnecessary vertices to delete them. Then, I will press Delete and choose Face to remove them. Finally, I will press P to separate and remove any remaining unwanted parts. We have achieved the desired dress shape. But now we need to increase its resolution to make it look more realistic. To do this, I will select all the vertices and use Subdivide. However, you can see that the issue has reappeared. To fix this, I will undo the subdivision changes I made. Here's a proper solution to increase the dress resolution without affecting the geometry. I will use the subdivision surface modifier and increase the resolution. Then, I will click Apply to finalize the changes. I have also recorded the common mistakes we might encounter while using Blender. You can refer to this playlist for guidance. Subscribe to this channel. You won't regret it.